Welcome to the new section, Feature Extraction. In this section, we'll learn to extract features from categorical variables and text. We'll also standardize features. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with extracting features from categorical variables. In this video, we'll see what a categorical value is and perform one-hot encoding with an example. Many problems have explanatory variables that are categorical or nominal. A categorical variable can take one of a fixed set of values. For example, an application that predicts a salary for a job might use categorical variables such as the city in which the position is located. Categorical variables are commonly encoded using one of k encoding, or one-hot encoding, in which the explanatory variable is represented using one binary feature for each of its possible values. For example, let's assume our model has a city variable that can take one of three values: New York, San Francisco, or Chapel Hill. One-hot encoding represents the variable using one binary feature for each of the three possible cities. Let's write the code for that. Scikit-learn's dict vectorizer class is a transformer that can be used to one-hot encode categorical features. Run this. You get the output here. Note that the order of the features in the resulting vectors is arbitrary. In the first training example, the value of city is New York. The second element in the feature vector corresponds to the New York value, and it's equal to 1 for the first instance. This video ends here.